Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials so you don't get stuck later. First, confirm you're on Windows 10 or 11 64-bit and that the system boots in UEFI, not legacy. Once done, sign into an administrator account and back up critical files. Next, open system information and note the secure boot state value. Make sure you have the BIOS/UEFI hotkey for your PC model. It's required immediately in the next step, so keep it ready. You'll now change firmware settings to enable secure boot. Reboot and press the BIOS hotkey. Once in UEFI, set boot mode to UEFI if it's not already. Then find the secure boot menu and switch it to enabled or standard. That's the required setting for Valorant's anti-cheat. If secure boot is grayed out, disable CSM or legacy support first, then reboot back into UEFI and enable secure boot. Save changes and exit so Windows restarts under the new. After reboot, confirm success by opening system information. Secure boot state must read on. Then launch Valorant. If Vanguard fails to start, reinstall it or use an elevated command prompt to query its service. Make sure Windows and chipset drivers are up to date. Outdated firmware often prevents secure boot. If the system won't boot after changes, re-enter UEFI and revert the setting, or update the firmware from the manufacturer and repeat. This addresses most failures quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.